You can't stop the land of the undead. You can't stop the zombie apocalypse. Welcome to the land of the undead, where my zombie apocalypse resurrected dog boy 400. Wanna come see his grave, where I bury you alive in the land of the undead. Undead soldiers here with this razor blade. Bloody dog boy in your face. Wanna come and see his grave? Follow me, I'll take you to the land of the undead. Undead soldiers here, what you mean, what you meant. Best to the best and give it to the rest. I'll lay you down to rest with this razor blade to your face. Dog boy, Hellraiser, they wanted that face to the face. With this razor blade to your face. Death to be feared. Death to be feared. Death to be feared. Undead zombie apocalypse right here. Welcome to the land of the undead. Welcome to the zombie apocalypse. Welcome to the undead soldier right here. Zombie right mode in the motherfucking studio. Like I said, shotgun down your throat though. Yeah, best to the best. Now I'll lay you down to rest. Shove a grenade down your throat, watch you blow up as I walk away where my zombie apocalypse resurrected dog boy 400. Bury you alive in the land of the undead. Take it like that. Rap fame most wanted. Rap fame most wanted, that's my fucking crew. Dog boy 400. Dog boy 400. Dog boy 400. Dog boy 400. Welcome to the show. Welcome to the show. Welcome to the show. Land of the undead. Lorain, Ohio.